A classic dome-type cameras are not familiar for EZVIZ, who mostly prefer to produce a bullet, pan tilt, and those magnetic base-type cams. Though this is what we have here today, a brand new EZVIZ C4W outdoor Wi-Fi camera, and looking a bit ahead, they have finally brought here some features I was waiting for and hoping they will bring them to their cameras. So we'll go through unboxing, specs, video quality, test, and features, of course. And yeah, you can get this one on the Pipl System Store website within a worldwide delivery. Just specify you're subscribed and get your special offer right away. I'm Daniel, breaking in.
Subscribe to Pipl Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.
Now let's unpack this one. And we're met with the camera on top, but well, but let's move forward. We'll get back to it a bit later. Let me just get every other parts out of the box, and I don't need you anymore. So here's what we have within the box: a 12 volts power adapter, a plastic bracket for a mounting, along with there you are, plastic, oh wait, god damn, it was a mountain sticker, a quick stock guide, some screws and anchors, and also a cable clips to secure joints from a water. Now, the EZVIZ C4W dome type camera, and it consists of a metal form ball camera module, a plastic bracket around it, and this classic tail with a 12 volts power supply and the RG45 Ethernet cable inputs. And also there's a Wi-Fi support along with a wired connection type. And what EZVIZ did, they fitted in here two Wi-Fi antennas hidden inside of the body for better network stability. And yeah, now here you see a microphone hole indicated with this figure, and there's a speaker grills on the back. I hope you can see them. And here we have a screwed down little cover containing a reset button and a micro SD card input, though they didn't put a screwdriver in the box. But I got my own one, and I want to open it up and see how much waterproof it is. So here are the results: a red rubber layer used to keep the water out. IP67 confirmed here. And now the main elements. So the external circle here is the LED panel to light up a scene at night. These two on the sides are the infrared lights, and the exact 1080p camera module in the middle. And so I brought here an EZVIZ C3W, and is a very similar, almost identical regarding the specifications camera, but in another bullet form type body. And now I want to show you a video in compare. So here you see the footage taken on the EZVIZ C4W, and now appears a footage from C3WN to compare. And what I can say from my perspective, quite decent for both cameras in frames of, well, 1080p lens, with that only difference in a view angle, which is fine due to different camera types. And actually, it looks like we don't have a passive infrared sensor this time in here, thus a motion detection happens only on the software level. And that means you got to very carefully pick a place for mounting if you need this function to be turned on, I mean the motion. Yeah, detecting, as you'll be receiving a motion alert even from a slightest leaf fluctuation. So as I've told you in the beginning, there's a few really awesome and outstanding features that EZVIZ finally brought to their devices. And well, power over internet is not one of them, but well, I want it. But anyways, we got a wired and Wi-Fi options with two antennas in one device, which is awesome. And the camera module is quite standard. I mean, 1080p lens, 30 frames per second, 180 degrees view angle, and the exact footage looks good. Everything's okay. And this LED panel surrounding a camera in combined with a speaker in here act as an active protection, as a security floodlight to spot an intruder, well, spotlight, okay? And also a siren to loudly inform everyone in area that something went wrong. And as we have a two-way audio feature here due to this microphone and a speaker, we can also record a custom audio messages that will be played for visitors when they will get a in a detection area and also speak to them. And so what EZVIZ finally implemented here is the high-efficiency H.265 compression support that almost literally cuts in half the size of a video, plus saves us a quality in compared to H.264 codec. And we got a dust and water resistance IP67 protection body here. And what I really want to put an emphasis on, a top feature here, is that is a night vision quality and available distance, which is 30 meters or 98 feet. And it's really nice. And here's a video for you to estimate with your own eyes. And so as we're activating the consumer camera, we need a phone, yeah? So going to the App Store, if you haven't, get the EZVIZ free app from the Google Play, App Store, whatever. Sign up, yep. Install, sign up, create account, and whatever. And you'll get to this screen. And up from here, we gotta press the plus button. And as you can see, the camera's LED, little one here, flashes with blue, meaning the camera is is powered, yeah, actually, from my current, and we can activate it. So that's what we do. I have a QR code located on the back of it. All right, device is powered on. Indicator flashes blue. I'm allowing EZVIZ to access my location and typing in the password for my Wi-Fi. Yeah, I'm not going for a wired connection via the RG45 because, well, I'm convinced a lot of people are going to use it as a consumer Wi-Fi camera specifically, because this is what it actually is, the first part. And now it is configuring. I don't know how, but it somehow connects to my Wi-Fi. And as you can see, yeah, we gotta wait a bit.
Wi-Fi.
Oh,
please wait.
Connecting Wi-Fi, please. Oh, that was quite loud. Actually, maybe even louder than me.
Connected.
All right, connected. And
Password
there we go. Hey Val, how are you doing? Yeah, there we go. All right, so
configuration complete. Welcome
yeah.
to EZVIZ.
Okay. Alright, so it's mirrored as you can see, yeah. So let me just go into settings and get the flip image, yeah. So we'll get our standard view because, yeah, this camera is intended to be installed like this. So yeah, that is why it looks like that. Alright, so here's the footage. Here's the standard quality. I'm gonna switch to Ultra HD. I don't know what they mean by Ultra HD, but I know it's Full HD, I guess this is what they mean. Alright, so this is the quality. So what we can do, well, buttons, pause or start recording, yeah. Turn on or turn off a microphone on the camera so you can hear who's talking via your phone. Yeah, we can switch the quality. We can split a screen to see multiple cameras or, well, a record if you got some. And also, this is what we can do too. A camera alarm, you probably know what's that. It produces a sound from a speaker here with this kind of intervals, and also this is what it does too. It's kind of, it's blinking with this little LED, but actually, I mean, this is very slight thing. Right, I'm turning this off. Also, we can speak through it. Hey there.
Hey there. Hey
Hey,
there.
hey, 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 hey. Oh yeah, yeah, doing it. I can take a snapshot and can record a video that will be saved into the app's memory, so consequently to your phone's memory. This is what it means. So this is what we have: a camera. Yeah, either you want audio or not. Status light, meaning this light, yeah. Blinking with blue, very slow, meaning it's okay, so we can turn it off. Infrared light, yes, so either it will be switching automatically to the night mode or not. Alarm notification, yeah, I got turned off, but you can turn it on, and then we'll schedule. That's what you can do. Also, well, yeah, time zone, other stuff, storage settings, and somewhere here there should be a draw area draw, motion detection area. Yeah, there we go. We can draw an area for a detection, but again, I'll remind you, there's no passive infrared sensor in here. There's only a software motion detection, meaning any dog, any leaf fluctuation, even the slightest wind, it will just trigger it. So, well, depends on your occasion, I guess. So this is how we draw it, and this is like mostly it. Yep. Alright, let's just sum up everything. Even though there is no passive infrared sensor, which from my perspective must be in every security camera, there's a lot of truly worthy features. And I mean the H.265 codec support, IP67 protection rate, for a home consumer camera, spotlight and siren, two-way audio, customizable voice recordings, and a great night view distance for this class of cameras. EZVIZ C4W is a must-buy in a consumer segment. So get it officially in the Pipl System Store website within a worldwide delivery for you, and specify as subscribed to get a special offer. So thank you for watching. Your protection and your knowing of your surroundings are the main goals in Pipl Systems.